Most candidates over-engineer this question with databases and payment APIs when the interviewer just wants clean object-oriented design. Let's build a simple shopping cart the right way. Start with a product class. This is your building block. Each product needs 3 properties: a name string to identify what it is, a price as a decimal or float, and a quantity integer for how many are in stock or being purchased. This is basic encapsulation. Group related data together in one object. Nothing fancy, just a clean data container. Now create a cart class. The key here is storing a collection of items. Most languages let you use an array or list to hold multiple product objects. Declare this as a private property so outside code can't mess with it directly. Initialize it as an empty collection in the constructor. This cart will manage all the products the user wants to buy. Give your cart 2 methods, add item and remove item. The add method takes a product and appends it to the item's collection. The remove method takes a product and searches the collection to delete it. These methods encapsulate all the logic for modifying the cart, keeping your data safe behind a clean interface. Next, implement getTotal. This method iterates over every item in the collection, multiplies each product's price by its quantity, and sums everything up. Return the final number. This is a perfect example of why we use methods. The calculation logic lives in one place and can be called whenever needed. Finally, show how these objects interact. Create a few product instances with real values. Instantiate a cart. Add those products to the cart. Call getTotal to see the sum. This demonstrates you understand object instantiation, method invocation, and how separate classes collaborate to solve a problem. A shopping cart is really just 2 classes working together. Product holds the data, cart manages a collection and provides operations. Master this pattern and you'll ace every object-oriented design question. Practice building real systems with these fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.